Hello students, welcome back to my channel, that is Study with Prabin sir. Today we will discuss more previous year questions on chapter ratio and proportion. These questions are frequently coming on your SSC exams such as CGL, CHSL, MTS, CPU and GD. So let's get started. Now question number 22. In a regiment, the ratio between the number of officers to soldiers was 3:31 before battle. In a battle, 6 officers and 22 soldiers were killed and the ratio became 1:13. The number of officers in the regiment before battle was, so here it is given that officers is to soldiers. That is 3:31. 3:31. In a battle, 6 officers and 22 soldiers were killed. Now, according to the question, 3x minus 6 divided by 31x minus 22 is equal to 1 by 13. So this implies 39x minus 78 is equal to 31x minus 22. This is coming after cross multiplication. Now 13 is multiplied with this 3x minus 6 and 1 is multiplied with this 31x minus 22. So this implies 39x minus 31x is equal to 78 minus 22. So this implies 8x is equal to 56. So this implies x is equal to 56 by 8, so that is equal to 7. Now before the battle, officers was 3x, that means 3 into 7, so that is equal to 21. That means before battle there were 21 officers in that regiment. So here option 3 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question 23. Question number 23. Now the ratio of number of boys and girls in a school of 720 students is 7:5. How many more girls should be admitted to make the ratio 1:1? Now here the total number of students is 720. Now the ratio of boys is to girls. Here the ratio of boys is to girls is 7:5. So that means it is 7x plus 5x is equal to 720. This implies 12x is equal to 720. This implies x is equal to 720 divided by 12. So it is coming as 60. Now here boys is 7x, so that is equal to 7 into 60, so that is equal to 420. Again girls is equal to 5x, so that is equal to 5 into 60, so that is equal to 300. Now to make the ratio 1:1, that means the number of boys should be equal to the number of girls. So here that means here number of boys is 420 and number of girls is 300. That means then the ratio should be 1:1 when the number of boys is equal to the number of girls. That means here if there are 120 more girls, then the number of boys is equal to the number of girls, so that is 1:1. That means here option 2 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question number 24. Now before going to solve these questions, I want to tell one thing, that if you want the complete chapter of ratio and proportion, then I have given the link of this chapter in the description box, so you can click that link and watch that complete chapter. Now the compound ratio of the inverse ratio of the ratios x is to yz, y is to zx, z is to xy. And first I have to find the inverse ratio. Inverse ratio means reciprocal. That means it is the inverse ratio is yz divided by x is to zx divided by y is to xy divided by z. Now their compound ratio, here it is the inverse ratio. It is the inverse ratio. Now inverse ratio. Now the compound ratio is equal to yz into zx into xy divided by xyz. Here this x cancel this x, this y cancel this y, this z cancel this z. So that is equal to x y z divided by 1. That means here the ratio is x y z is to 1. That means option 2 is the right answer. Now the next question. So this is the last question of this video. Now question number 25. If x plus 1 by x is to x minus 1 by x is equal to 5:3, then the value of x is or r. That means here we have to find the value of x. Now it is given that x plus 1 by x divided by x minus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 3. Now after cross multiplication, so it is 3x plus 3 by x is equal to 5x minus 5 by x. Now this implies here 3 by x plus 5 by x is equal to 5x minus 3x. Now this implies, so 5x minus 3x, that is equal to 2x, so that is equal to 3 by x plus 5 by x, so that is equal to 8 by x. Now this implies x square is equal to 8 by 2, so that is equal to 4. This implies x is equal to square root of 4, so that is equal to plus minus 2. That means your option 2 is the right answer. Now students, if you like this video, then please share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.